Hello and welcome to the CampSource app. This is a tutorial to demo and test the app to give you the ability to try everything out and get comfortable with the system before you use it in your next camp. And you can do this 100% on your own just by creating an account and logging into your dashboard. So the first thing you need to do if you have not already is visit our website at campsourceapp.com. Click the sign up button in the top right hand corner and register. Once you do that, you'll have immediate access to the system. And on your first login, this is what you're going to see here in your dashboard. So in order to move forward with testing the app, you're going to choose the free package in the drop down. Now, what the free package is it allows your camp to use this system 100% free, and it will charge your parents a one-time small activation fee on their first login to the app to unlock it. And this allows your camp to use the system for free without ever having to pay a subscription or anything. If you prefer to do the subscription, you can always change your plan after you're done testing everything out. But in order to test it, you're going to choose the free package. Now, as an administrator in the system, it is not going to prompt you with that one-time activation fee when you do get to the mobile side of the app and have access there. So it'll recognize that you are an administrator and you won't have to pay that activation fee. However, if you decide to move forward with this package, from that point forward, your parents or anyone else that you upload to the system will have to pay that one-time fee to unlock everything. So go ahead and continue with the free package. And once you do that, your dashboard will be unlocked and you'll be ready to go. So the first thing we need to do is create a test camp, and we can do that on our left-hand menu here in the camp drop-down and then the camp list. So we have a camp created already. For you to create a camp, you just hit the add button here and fill out the required fields, and you'll set up a camp that'll let you access the system. So think of each camp in our system here as a communication thread. So only those connected to the camp or the camp group that you have set up will receive the information that you put into your dashboard and push out to those parents on the mobile side of the app. And we have much more detailed tutorials on how to set up your camps, as well as step-by-steps in our user guides. So see those on our support page of our website in order to get a more in-depth look at a lot of the sections in the system and how to use them. So once you've created your camp, we're now going to add ourselves to the system, and we do that by going to the staff master list on the left-hand menu, and you're going to add yourself here as a user. So we have ourselves set up already. To add yourself, you're going to hit the add button here, fill out your name and email address, and that'll add you to the system. Now you want to make sure you use the same email address that you use to set up your dashboard here. So the system recognizes that you're an administrator, and when you get to the mobile side, it won't prompt you with that activation fee. Now to connect ourselves to the camp we created, we're going to go back to the camp, and we're going to hit the staff button here, and then we're going to add ourselves to this camp by hitting the add button. And then we're going to choose the camp we created. We're going to choose the group if you did set up any groups. In this case, we did not. And we're going to add ourselves and submit. So once we do this, the system's going to send us an email. It's a welcome email to the app. It has links to the App Store, a little bit of information on the app, and this is the same email that your parents are going to receive when you add them to the system. Now, when you add your parents to the system, you're going to be able to do that in bulk. We do have an import-export process where you can upload your entire roster and do your entire camp in one shot. Again, we have more tutorials and detailed step-by-step guides on the support page and within our user guides, where you can get into how to add your parents to the system when the time comes. But for now, you just add yourself as an individual, and you now have access to the mobile side of the app. So you're going to go to the App Store, you're going to load the CampSource app, or click the link off of our website or that welcome email you received. And you're going to log into the mobile side of the app with the same login credentials, your email address, and password 123456. Everybody in the system starts with that password to make it as easy as possible to get on. And then once you sign on the mobile app, you can change that at any time. Okay, so now we're ready to test and demo the app. If you go back to the camp list here on the left side, you'll see all the features that the app offers. You can go through these one by one. You can make posts, you can upload documents, upload pictures, add posts to the calendar, share your video links, whatever you want to do to test the system and get comfortable with it. And on the mobile side of the app, you'll see how all that comes through, how the push notifications come through, and how all that information is instantly available to your parents and organized in one place on the mobile app. When it's time to move forward, if you want to stick with the free package and move forward with the activation fees, you could add your parents immediately after you're finished testing everything out and you have the dashboard set up the way you want. Or you can visit the subscription section of the menu here and you can upgrade to an annual subscription based on the amount of users that you have in camp, or choose a package with some of the premium features that we offer. And all that information can be found on our website as far as pricing goes and what is included in each of those packages. Again, if you want to see more in-depth tutorials on how to use each section of the app, you can visit the support page on our website here, which has a bunch more tutorials and guides and everything you would need in order to use the system. And you also have the same things linked right to your dashboard here on the left-hand menu with some resources, our user guide, and again, our support page on the website. So I want to thank you for considering the CampSource app, and we hope that you are a part of our CampSource app family here soon. Thank you, and if you have any additional questions, you can contact us at any time.